Today we are going to discuss about cross lab joint from carpentry trade in mechanical engineering workshop. First of all, we need to know what are the tools and equipments using in this trade and their uses. How they helpful to us to make proper and perfect final products. Metal jack plane is used to do planing operation on workpiece to get smooth finishing. Tri-square is used to measure three parameters like 1. Length of the objects, second one flatness of the objects, third one perpendicularity of two edges of the object. Bevel gauge is used to measure the angles. Marking gauge, which is having only one pointer, it is used to mark on workpiece with the help of wedge. Mortise gauge, which is having two pointers. With the help of this, we can mark two parallel lines at a time on the workpiece. This is wooden mallet, which is used to striking purpose. This is farmer chisel. It is used to remove the excess material from the workpiece by chipping operation. This is known as mortise chisel, which is used to remove excess material where we need to make grooves. Wood rust file, which is used to remove the excess material for getting smoothness. This one is called hand saw, hand rip saw, which is having teeth in forward direction. This is tenon saw, which is having teeth in backward direction. It is used to forward cut, and another one used to backward direction cutting. This is called C clamp or G clamp, which is used to hold the workpiece on the table. This is known as carpentry bench vise. It is used to hold the workpiece. This is the diagram. By this we need to prepare the product. For that we have to observe dimensions carefully. First we need to take 300 mm length workpiece. Width is 48 mm. Thickness is 22 mm. With the help of metal jack plane, we need to remove excess material on the workpiece to get the smoothness. We need to do this planing operation all four sides of the workpiece. After the planing operation, we need to cut workpiece into two equal parts, that is 150 mm and 150 mm. After the cutting operation, we need to make marking on workpiece with the help of steel rule, scriber, tri-square. After the marking operation, we need to cut the material with the help of hand saw as per the dimensions of the given diagram. In second piece also we need to cut the workpiece as per the given dimensions. After the cutting operations, we need to do chiseling operation. For that, we need to hold the workpiece with the help of C-clamp on the bench. After that, with the help of farmer chisel, we need to remove the excess material by the chipping operation. By layer to layer, we need to remove the excess material. We need to do this operation layer by layer. Don't try to remove entire material at a time. It may get damage of workpiece. After chiseling operation, it has some roughness. We need to smooth with the help of wood rasp file. And all the same operations we'll do on B workpiece. After completion of all operations, we need to join two workpieces with the help of wooden hammer by striking operation. This is called cross slab joint. It is the one of the most important carpentry joint. Like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Like and comment about my video. Thank you.